Up to this point, we've created a testing server on our local computer and configured our live production server with a cloud hosting provider. In this section of the course, we'll show you how to use an FTP agent to transfer files from your local web directory to your production server. The FTP agent we'll be using is FileZilla. To download FileZilla, visit the webpage shown below. When you're on the website, select the download that corresponds to your computing system. Since I'm on a 64-bit Windows machine, I'll download the first option here. Once your file has finished downloading, move the setup file onto your desktop and run the file. If you're on a Windows platform and you do get an error when you try to run the setup file, just right-click and make sure you select Run as Administrator. You'll need administrative privilege to execute the setup file. Once the setup interface opens, you'll be prompted to agree to the license agreement. Just go ahead and click I agree. Since I've already installed FileZilla on this computer, I've been prompted to reinstall the software. In your case, assuming you don't already have it installed, make sure you select the Install option and click Next. Select which users will have access to FileZilla on your computer. When prompted to choose the components to install, place a checkmark in all of them, including the last checkmark. This will create a shortcut on your desktop that we'll be using to access the program. Now select the folder where your program files are stored, typically the program files directory. Then click Next. Now click Install and the program will be automatically installed onto your computer.